Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today I just realized one thing is like you see the smart tanks. I think most of them they use the same power supply. So this is let me tell you, let me show you. This is gonna be you can see this model. It looks like it's quite newer. Yeah, it's a 570. So what happens is its power supply sits in like this. So I was looking for this power supply, but I couldn't get it. But what I did, uh, I went to the old smart tanks, the 530. I think most of them they use the same power supply. You get me? So what I did, the old one, this one sits in like that, right? But look what is funny. Same power supply, HP. What they did, they make this sits like this. You get me? It sits like that. I think like this. You can see it sits like this. That can make you think that it's different, but it's not different. I just stripped this machine, so I got another power supply from this old machine. So I'm gonna put it in there, right in here. So I decided to make a video and say if you have an issue with your power supply on smart tank, most of the smart tanks, go buy a scrap smart tank 530 or whatever, those ones, then you'll be able to do what to use that. So now I'm on the operation. I did strip out the board, this board, and also this. It's not a very big task. I took out almost like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like maybe 10 screws. That's it. And this board just match on the side. I also took out this panel, right? I also took out this side door cover. Also took out this front panel, the one which come with the screen. Understand? Simple. So done. So now my task, another task is to reassemble everything back. So this one, to take it out, you just have to take out 2 screws here. 1 2 3, they're gonna be here. 4. Then you take out the scanner. Once you take out the scanner on top, then you have access to this. Once you have to access on this, you take out this board, right? Once you take out this board, simply means now you're gonna access this guy. So this guy has also this guy, you get me? This guy comes from outside here, like this. It comes into here. Okay, yeah, so it comes there, then you take out that. So simple, you don't have to take out these covers, you have to come from top. Look how dirty this is. Get me? So that's it. I believe that is something which I have to use to make this smart tank work. I think most of them, I was looking also for the gear. There's a gear which moves these things, but it could not be maybe the same with this one I have, but the one which changes this, but it's fine. So for now, I'm sorted with one thing. So other stuff, I will look into them. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.